Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing a couple of pullback trikes with sounds and lights, and we are going to be taking a look at the green variant and the red variant, which are 1/12 scale diecast trikes manufactured by Akrobo. And I'm going to be showing you the features and specifications of these amazing diecast trikes, so stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we begin, I just want to let you know that I was thrilled when I found these particular diecast pullback trikes, which I had to get to add to my diecast motorcycle collection, so here we are. And just so you know, these particular diecast pullback trikes don't come in any kind of signature boxing, but was well secured in bubble wrap in a cardboard box. And just so you know, these particular trike models come in 4 color variants, which are in blue, orange, and as you can see, I've got the red and the green variants. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this trike model comes with a black and silver chassis with an amazing red and silver paint scheme. This model comes with a well sculpted and massive front unit which is in black and silver and comes with a pair of headlights which light up, which we will get to in a bit. I love the molded front bumper and grille that's in black and silver, which flows into an amazingly detailed front wheel setup, and what stands out the most is the dual front wheel setup with rubber tires with silver spoked alloy style rims, which is wrapped around by a black mudguard. And moving up is a headlight unit that houses a pair of rear view mirrors that are in black and a handlebar that's in silver, along with the petrol cap that's molded in. Moving on to the side is a well detailed body kit and engine sculpt that's painted in silver and black, which is a good touch of detail, and this flows into a single black exhaust unit. And moving up is a double seat which is in black that has a pair of rear hand grips. And the rear unit comes with suspension that also serves as a click switch for the sounds and the lights. And this unit includes a single wheel setup which is fully blacked out with a rubber tire and an alloy style spoked rim. And just to mention, the mold and sculpt on this side is the same as the other. And to top it all off, this model comes with free rolling rubber wheels which also have a pullback system, which is simply amazing. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 5.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 3 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 100 grams, which could be matched up with the standard 1/12 scale diecast motorcycles. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at these diecast trikes and make a side-by-side comparison with the standard 1/12 scale diecast motorcycles. And please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these trike models are your favorite and if you think they match up with the standard 1/12 scale diecast motorcycles. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, all I can say is that both these variants look stunning and unique in their own way, and I'm really happy that I got both these beautiful diecast trike models that I will gladly add to my 1/12 scale diecast collection as well. So overall, these are beautiful diecast trike models and a definite must-have for any diecast collector or hobbyist. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for these diecast trikes in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's check out the functions of these amazing and well-detailed diecast trike models. So stay tuned and let's check this out. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the well-detailed exteriors, and these diecast trikes get a massive thumbs up from me for their looks as well as for their functionality. So with that being said, let's place these trike models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on trikes coming up. Many three-wheelers which exist in the form of motorcycle-based machines are often called trikes, and often have the front single wheel and mechanics similar to that of a motorcycle and the rear axle similar to that of a car. Often such vehicles are owner constructed using a portion of a rear engine, rear drive in combination with a motorcycle front end. Other trikes include ATVs that are specially constructed for off-road use. Three-wheelers can have either one wheel at the back and two at the front, or one wheel at the front and two at the back, due to better safety when braking, an increasingly popular form in the front steering tadpole or reverse trike, sometimes with front drive but usually with rear drive. A variant on the one at the front layout was the Scott Sociable, which resembled a four-wheel with the front wheel missing. Three-wheelers, including cycle cars, bubble cars and microcars, are built for economic and legal reasons. In the United Kingdom for tax advantages, or in the United States to take advantage of lower safety regulations, being classed as motorcycles. As a result of their light construction and potential better streamlining, three-wheeled cars are usually less expensive to operate. Some vehicles have a front engine driving the single rear wheel, similar to the rear engine driving the rear wheel. The wheel must support acceleration loads as well as lateral forces when in a turn, and loss of traction can be a challenge. And for further information on trikes, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these amazing trike models, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these variants are your favorite. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes, and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.